Welcome back to the Car Explorer. Today, we're stepping into a world where luxury meets power, where adventure meets technology, and where the open road becomes your five-star hotel. This is the 2026 Kenworth Motorhome, a masterpiece of engineering and comfort that redefines what it means to travel in style. Designed for long hauls, epic journeys, and limitless freedom, this motorhome combines the rugged DNA of Kenworth's heavy-duty trucks with the elegance of a luxury mansion on wheels. At first glance, the 2026 Kenworth Motorhome makes an unforgettable impression. Its exterior design is bold, muscular, and aerodynamic, built from high-strength aluminum and composite materials to reduce weight while maintaining durability. The signature Kenworth grille dominates the front with its chrome finish and futuristic LED matrix headlights that blend perfectly into the sleek body lines. Along the sides, the flush-mounted tinted windows and retractable awning add a touch of sophistication, while the dynamic LED light strip running across the roofline gives it a futuristic road presence, especially at night. The 22-inch alloy wheels are wrapped in heavy-duty all-terrain tires, making it ready for both highways and off-road adventures. At the rear, you'll find a full-width LED tail light bar, integrated camera system, and a powered luggage compartment designed for easy access to all your travel essentials. Step inside, and you'll instantly feel like you've entered a private jet cabin rather than a motorhome. The 2026 Kenworth Motorhome interior is crafted with premium leather, real wood veneers, and soft-touch materials throughout. Ambient LED lighting adjusts automatically based on time of day, while panoramic roof panels flood the interior with natural light. The front cabin features ergonomic captain chairs with heating, cooling, and massage functions, plus a massive 18-inch digital cockpit display paired with an AI-powered infotainment system. Voice command integration allows you to control navigation, temperature, and even lighting without lifting a finger. In the living area, Kenworth has created a true mobile residence. There's a full-size reclining sofa, a 65-inch OLED smart TV, and a surround sound system for immersive entertainment. The kitchen is equipped with a smart induction cooktop, microwave oven, fridge freezer, and even a built-in coffee maker, perfect for life on the go. The dining space can comfortably seat 4 and converts into an additional sleeping area when needed. Towards the rear, you'll find the master bedroom featuring a king-size bed with memory foam mattress, touchscreen control panels, and underbed storage. The bathroom doesn't disappoint either. It includes a rainfall shower, smart temperature control, and a premium ceramic toilet, giving you the comforts of home wherever your travels take you. Under the hood, the 2026 Kenworth Motorhome is powered by a 12.9-liter turbocharged diesel engine, producing an impressive 600 horsepower and 2,000 millimeters of torque, paired with a 12-speed automatic transmission. For those who prefer greener power, there's also an available hybrid electric model combining a smaller diesel unit with electric motors, offering up to 30% better fuel efficiency and a range of over 200 kilometers on a single fill. The adaptive air suspension system ensures a smooth ride even on rough terrain, and the advanced driver assist features like lane keeping assist, 360-degree cameras, adaptive cruise control, and automatic leveling make it incredibly easy to drive despite its size. When it comes to pricing, the 2026 Kenworth Motorhome starts at around $780,000 for the standard diesel variant, while the fully loaded hybrid luxury edition can go up to $1.1 million depending on customization. Of course, at that price, you're not just buying a vehicle, you're investing in a complete lifestyle. Whether you're exploring national parks, crossing countries, or living full-time on the road, this motorhome delivers unmatched freedom and comfort. So, what do you think of the 2026 Kenworth Motorhome? Is it the future of luxury travel? Or just a dream machine for the rich and adventurous? Let us know your thoughts in the comments below. And if you enjoyed this detailed review, don't forget to hit the like button, share it with your travel-loving friends, and subscribe to Car Xplorer for more futuristic vehicle reviews and adventures from the road ahead.